So A2 just concluded, and no fireworks between Anstie or Deegan. And it's kind of funny that the news coming out was that Wilhan, the team manager, whatever you want to call him, had to actually have a sit down and talk with him because apparently they got into it in practice this week. Now, I'm going to say this. These are the pictures from the crash in San Diego, and I'm still going to hold that, one, it was not a horrible crash. It wasn't a T-bone. He didn't send him over the berm. I mean, even, like, it's not the worst thing in the world. And I'm also going to say, this isn't a team sport. Like, yes, you are on a team with somebody else. You're being paid by the same person. But this is an individual success sport. If you win, you get the bonus money, the accolades, the history books and the trophies and whatever like that. If your teammates win, you do not get that. There might be a bonus at the end for, Yamaha being the championship, overall points team of the year, but you don't get the accolades and the money if your teammate wins. If you finish fourth and they finish first, guess what? You finished fourth. They finished first. That proves that, they were better than you at that time or in that championship or whatever. But it's pretty funny that, they are apparently not on good terms if Wilhan has to go in and tell them, like, have a sit down in the middle of the week and say, hey, stop this, move on from this. To me, it's funny. And I know it's not like a good thing because if you're on Deegan's camp or if you're Deegan in general, this could be a really stupid way to lose a championship. All you need is to piss off Wilhan, or not Wilhan, to piss off Max Anstie or Mosman or whoever, anybody else. Like, you just need to piss somebody off enough that they can say, well, I'm going to take you out here. And if it's early on, enough in the race, you could lose 10, 15 positions or something happens to your bike or you get injured. And it's kind of a complete lost game. There's no reason to make that many enemies and just think, it's fine. Doesn't need to make those kind of passes. No. I mean, he proved it tonight in A2. He just blew by Mosman without really working all that hard, it looked like. Anstie obviously didn't have a good night, kind of getting stuck in the middle of the pack. And so obviously there's not much going to be happening between the two of them there. But it's just funny to me that it's something like this. Like, all week long, people have been saying, you shouldn't take out your teammate. You shouldn't do this with your teammate. Once you're racing, once you're on that track and you're, going, you're not teammates. You're vying for the same place. Both of you want to finish first. Both of you want that podium, that trophy, that bonus, the points. Like, I don't understand the teammate side of things. Yes, you're on the same team. Again, you're getting paid by the same people, but this is an individual sport. You live or die by how you succeed on your own. Your teammate doing well does nothing to help you, does nothing to hurt you unless, well, I guess it does have to hurt you if you finish second and they finish first. It just means they were better than you that night. I don't get it. The whole teammate thing and, Star by themselves were still doing great. I mean, Mosman looked good today. Deegan's first in the championship. So, like, Yamaha's still going to be happy because they're still first in the title race. They're still going to be getting their, business out of it and everything that they can. The sponsors, at least for Deegan, are going to be happy because, hey, he's winning and doing well. I don't understand it's a teammate thing. You shouldn't be doing that to your teammate. Like, yes, you should not just be taking people out willy-nilly. But for something like this, that really was not that bad of a crash. I don't understand the anger for it. I think it's because it's Deegan, you're going to get people mad about it just because of his name. If it was 95% of the rest of the field, this wouldn't really matter. And it was just whatever is a bad pass, move on from it. But I don't know. To me, this is stupid. And obviously with A2 done, Deegan won. He's moved up. Well, put a cushion between him and second place for the title. Anstie, obviously, with a bad night, lost a lot of points here. But so I'm going to comment down below. You guys tell me, what do you think of A2? What do you think of the news that they actually had to be sat down and talked too about this, or about the practice crash, whatever, practice fighting. But yeah, I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.